So Shannon, we've given a fresh lick of paint, we've got our blank canvas to work with. Where do we go to next?
It's looking good. But like we said in our first video, our mate Tim's called us up to build him the ultimate man cave in his basement underneath his house. He wants to save $1 or $2, so he's partnered up with insurance company Yui and the YouiRewards program. They've got a heap of really great partners, so we will save $1. You can check out all the YouiRewards savings at the end of this vid.
So a lot of people would see this just as an empty room, but not you and I. We're different.
You are very different.
We see potential.
That's right, so let's get the man in himself. Timmy.
Tim.
Tell us your story and what do you want from this space?
Well, I spend a lot of time down here. I'm a picture framer by trade. I'm a kid that never grew up the rest of the time.
I know you're talking about.
I've accumulated a lot of stuff. It's not allowed in the house. It needs a home.
Dude, you need a man cave.
Love a man cave.
I think a man cave's essential for any Aussie home.
That's right.
Why don't you show us some of the stuff that you want to put in?
And we'll team that with a few additions from our YouiRewards partners and we'll build you an epic space. Let's do it.
Let's do it, guys. This is a lot of stuff.
This is a really, really nice. I am loving this bad boy.
It is old.
This is like before your time. So we don't want to just store this gear. We want to display it. We want to give it its space to shine.
Yep.
So what are you thinking?
Well, we had a good talk with Tim on his budget and he's got a few items at the top of the list.
Yep.
I think the biggest one would be that leather lounge.
Ooh.
So we'll put that in there.
Yeah.
And he did mention he likes to skate.
Apparently.
So maybe some quarter pipes and maybe some board racks on the wall or something.
That wall down there, I'm thinking big entertainment space, big flat screen
Nice.
telly, killer sound system, gaming console.
And I think he should have a captain's chair.
Oh yeah.
So we can get that from Amart Furniture as well as the lounge.
Yeah, nice. You reckon we could like fit a bar in here?
Yeah, maybe. First thing, let's measure up before we get carried away.
Okay, so working from this end of the room, we've got to get Timmy back into skating.
Yes.
A couple of quarter pipes from Rebel,
Nice.
and then crash out in the lounge.
And then I reckon we can get a big putt-putt green
Yep.
from Rebel.
Yes.
And then I've got to knock up a bar. Don't forget the stools from Amart, and we can't forget that captain's chairs too.
Yeah, that's a good spot to watch a big game, big flat screen telly. And that old school arcade game, the one that's
Really old, just like you.
not quite, that'll go perfect in the corner there.
All right, and then he can train in his eye at the end of the day, playing some darts down the hallway.
Dude, this, he's not going to want to leave this
I don't
space.
want to leave this space.
You got to leave and go build a bar. We've got to get together, eh?
Done.
Boom.
Just remember, you as a viewer has a chance to enter in the competition to win $10,000 worth of gift cards from the YouiRewards partners to spend on whatever your next project is. So click the link in this post to see how you can enter.
Entries closed 12th of April.
Righto, we've got our coffee, empty basement, a lot of work to do. Shall we?
FYI, we saved a bit of moolah on the old Jamaica Blue flat white.
Come on, mate. Let's do some work.
Got some sips.
Come on.
All right,
Come on.
let's have a quick look at how much we've saved by using YouiRewards so far. We've managed to save a pretty sweet $560 at Amart Furniture, buying the lounge, chair, console, and stools.
And a $95 saving on the skateboarding gear and the putt-putt green at Rebel.
We've managed to save $655 and we're only just getting started. You get these rewards when you sign up with Yui. They're easy to access with the app you've seen me using. There's heaps of partners from holidays and movie tickets to restaurants and coffee. Visit the YouiRewards website and watch part 2, where we'll be finalising the man cave and blowing Tim's mind when we reveal the end result.